everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are going to give unbiased review on the website, that is brightpleasant.com. So if you are curious to know about the legitimacy detail of this website, so just watch this video, because by the end of the video you will be able to know either you should buy anything from this store or not. Brightpleasant.com is widely spread in e-commerce industry, and it sells many customized products with variety in its collection. Their products encompass sofa, string chairs, storage sheds, vanity sets, bed, work benches, etc. Let's check out the specification of this website. It is an e-commerce website that trades in diverse custom collection for different profession, passion, storage sheds, vanity sets, etc. For contact, you're supposed to contact on their email address, but the email address is not matching the domain name, and it is not a good sign. It is HTTPS secured website. They have not mentioned their official address and contact details. They are accepting PayPal. If you want to return the product, you are supposed to return the product within 7 to 10 days within United States, and for other countries they are offering 10 to 15 return days for return of the product. Let's check out the positive point of the website. Products are explained with deep details like their dimension, color, etc. with good images. Though we can add a good amount to our cart, each customer can order 2 products at a time. Moreover, the terms and conditions are explained in section covering all prominent points. The negative point of website are there are no social media links available on the website. There is frequent pop-up that notifies the purchase of recent customer, name not mentioned. When we visit this website, it shows this pop-up that is the same repeated, which is suspicious. The website is less than 1 month old. The domain name of the website has been registered for 1 year. The website homepage named Wayfair instead of brightpleasant.com. There is no customer review found on any other product. Though the shipping section mentioned their standard requirement, the product section shows free shipping for 2 purchases. Therefore, that is attracting the customers. So the question is brightpleasant.com legit? It was created on 30th August 2021. It has a very poor trust score, that is 1%. We could not found any customer reviews on the website. No social media links are available. Email address that is mentioned is not matching the domain name, and it is a red alert for the customer. As far as content is concerned, it is not original, but it is copied content. As we all know that customer reviews are a great help for us to check out the legitimacy. So when we check out the review, we could not found any review on the website. Moreover, that makes is suspicious in the mind of customers. So in the end, we are not recommending you at all to purchase anything from this store. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your experience regarding this website and share your views with us regarding brightpleasant.com. Write in the comment box. We love to hear from you.